This 1976 Chevy van kit was a pre-owned, used kit off eBay. The previous owner didn't make much progress. Both stock and custom parts were present. While the ex-owner seemed to be keen on the custom option, I would restore it back for stock version as a company vehicle for a farm called Harvest. Hey! I still keep the custom grille to this day for 15 years. The reason for wanting van kits, at that time, was merely to fulfill my graphic design hobby while building models. And I got 2 vans in the purchase. This one was given a conservative visual style. The other van showcases a modernism graphic approach, which is due for another video in a later time.